Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm here at Walmart, and we're in the kitchen area. That's right, all of the kitchen items are here, and I like coming to this section because I can find all sorts of comedy gags. In fact, here's the scoop. You get it? Here's the scoop. I can get all sorts of comedy props and things like that. In fact, in addition to that, I have right here a mouth that you can use for a puppet. Look at that. Also, in addition to that, I find all of my squirting ketchup and mustard props here. In fact, I've got the mustard and ketchup here. I can get the yarn in the other section of the store. And you know what? If you think that's great, check it out. This is a little greater. Thank you, Christopher T. Magician, for that one. Again, this is the comedy prop section at the Walmart. Until next time.